Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today we're taking you around this approved used Audi A5 Sportback S-Line 45 TFSI S Tronic. This particular model is finished in the stunning Chronos grey metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. This being the 40 TFSI, you get a 2-litre turbo petrol engine producing 201 brake horsepower and achieving a combined approximate miles per gallon of 41.5. As this is an S-Line, you also get multiple elements of chrome and matte grey styling, including front and rear badges, front and rear bumper inserts and side skirts and window surrounds. On the front we do have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 19-inch 5-spoke Cavo design alloy wheels finished in graphite grey with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that Chronos grey metallic paintwork. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened from the button on the boot lid under the Audi rings or from the key itself. This reveals maximum storage space for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. The interior is finished in part leather, part Alcantara for maximum luxury, with centre armrest and tri-zone climate control so the rear passenger can set their own temperature. Both outer seats are also fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the S-Line leather multifunction steering wheel, Audi virtual cockpit, as well as the central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossing at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable to your wants and needs using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right, your volume and voice controls as mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left, your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply the navigational system. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, and this vehicle also comes with a rear view camera with front and rear parking sensors, which makes parking even in tight supermarket car parks all the easier. And you also have the Park Assist, which lets the car park itself and unpark itself for you, just got to follow the on-screen prompts. Dual zone climate control allows driver and passengers to be at different temperatures, synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video on the approved used Audi A5 Sportback S-Line 40 TFSI S Tronic in Chronos Grey, available now at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions, queries or would like to see the car in person, simply come on down to the showroom or call a member of our friendly sales team.